And if you're just tuning in, it's Auckland City FC of New Zealand. Topping that group, Ifira Blackbird squeaking home after a 1-0 over Tiger Sport. It caught the eye in the last group stage match, but really in a national 4-3-3 formation favoured by the
Caledonia, and for the Hikari United team that was
Avinash Narayan, Fiji, and they won. Was really unsure whether they would progress. In the navy blue on the left of your picture, and Ifira in the yellow and green on the right. Cobwebs, we've been training hard. Oh, good work there from Geordie Vale, who has crumpled in a heap there. This will be the clever ball from Mario Illich just to find Dylan Manicum. Decides to retain possession as much as possible. It can cause problems. And almost a carbon copy. Challenge may well be the lead. Nearly in Group B action through the group stages. That home crowd gets to their feet. Den Hyatt with the time. It's Tassip, in fact. Here's Tenene. Oh. Just catching my breath from the end-to-end action, Jeremy. Knee and chest height is an incredible thing as a shot from distance. There's Geordie Tassip. There's a sense of anticipation. Tassip! Oh! Well, just flashed past Connor Tracy's goal. I was about to say the patient side, even if they do find themselves a goal behind. Ooh, there's the
fitness for this Auckland City.
I think momentum is critical in a tournament like this, Jeremy. The group stage match against AS Pire. Here on the left-hand side finds Joe Lee. Shipshin's a great little handoff there to Wahale. Well, Tassip was just the two fullbacks. There's a long raking pass from Den Hyatt. Finds himself on the opposite side. Driven cross. And a goal in the far side. And it's Kerry Ewak, the left back. We mentioned how he likes to get forward. And sending this Freshwater Stadium crowd into raptures. It was an unnerving finish from the left back past Connor Tracy.
Seamus Martin, pandemonium here at the VFF. Kerry. 4 shots on goal by
Jonathan. Found himself on the opposite side to the wall. Den Hyatt gets his body. Well, here's Kalaros. I mentioned he likes to get forward. This was the threat in the first half as the counter-attack. Here's Tenene bearing down. Well, that shot's not going to. Football fans everywhere you see is Joe Lee, who looks to have Tenene, Tassip, and Jonathan as Tausi lined up a long-range strike.
Well, the midfielder for Ifira Blackbird, John Wahale.
Side Lobo does well to get back, and Tenene. That one again has been Ifira Blackbird in these sort of areas. Wow, you can hear the crowd there as play resumes here, and it's broken for Manicum. The ball dangerous position here. It's Tassip. Now surrounding homes here of Freshwater Stadium from the 3 group matches, and you can be assured that down and back play for Ifira Blackbird. Howison swings it in, and it's in the back of the net, and it's Ryan De Vries who claims the goal. Well, plaudits going to Captain Howison. Michael Den Hyatt pick up possession against Tiger Sport. Well, he's going to need every one of this. Have to call on all his guile and ascendancy. And now it is the central.
And on more than one occasion, Kikoli has found himself free, but being starved of the ball. Good shot by the striker. And another corner for
City at bay as the delivery from Howison comes in. He comes a long way as the goalkeeper. Off the crossbar. Wow. Well, Den Hyatt is looking to...
It was a decent ball too by Vale.
find this equaliser. That one goes over the top. De Vries has drifted off. They're queuing up at the back post. The keeper's dropped it, and De Vries has put it in the back of the net. Oh, Andreas Douche, head and hands. And it's De Vries who equalises deep in stoppage time. Well, the goalkeeper, we've had a lot of football since then, Jeremy. It's 2-2 now, but at 2-0 to a close, chasing an equaliser. That equaliser came. Howson again. Can he pull out a third? Well, a challenge on Douche there from Adam Mitch. It's Jordan Vale who finds himself unmarked. Well, he couldn't beat. And he's won the ball. Manicum, if he looks outside, here's Joe Lee. And Lee shoots straight at the legs of Andreas Douche. Well, that was a big moment. Really resolute in thwarting attacks, this man. Mitchell comes forward and wins a free kick. The crowd don't like that. Who breaks free. That one is hit out for a throw. This one, well, I think it's killed Collie. That is to put his head down and charge towards the Auckland City goal. As Zhao looks to link up with Manicum. Looks like Colaros, the captain, is down. Oh, it breaks from Murati and it won't sit down. Wow. This has been an incredible fixture. Howson, he's almost out on his feet. Lobo does well to cut that out. Now, they want the ball now, don't they? Ifira. Here is Tassett. Well, the crowd are on their edge of their seats. We're on the edge. And first blood, Auckland City.
Raucous of boos around the VFF.
Seems Tong Zhao is a stutter so far. Oh, Kilcolly blasts it hard.
Yeah.
On the ground, hands to mouths. Just out of reach of Connor Chip. Scenes in the sports. Indeed. And saved by Tracy. And Auckland City stream to